So you want to start a YouTube channel, but you're thinking it's going to be some super complicated process? Well, let's fix that right now. In this explainer, we're going to blast through the entire setup step by step so you can go from just an idea to being totally launch ready fast.
And no, I'm not kidding. The next 5 minutes are literally all you need to get a fully functional YouTube channel up and running, ready for that very first video. So let's start the clock right now.
Okay, first things first. Every single YouTube channel is built on top of a Google account. You can't have one without the other. Think of it as the foundation of your house. You gotta have it before you can build anything else. It's our absolute starting point. Now, here's the good news. Most of you watching this probably already have a Google account, right? I mean, if you use Gmail, you're golden. If that's you, fantastic. You're already ahead of the game. If not, no worries. It takes like a minute to create one. All right, with your Google account ready to go, it's time for the main event, actually bringing your channel to life. So go ahead and head over to youtube.com because this next step is where it all becomes real. So once you're on the YouTube homepage and you're all signed in, look up at the top right corner. See that little circle with your picture or initial? Give that a click. A menu's gonna pop up and you'll see the magic words right there, create a channel. That's what you're gonna click next. Okay, this is a big one. You've got to make a choice here. Do you use your personal name or do you create a custom brand name? Now, for almost everyone watching, I'm going to strongly recommend you go with a custom name. It gives you a totally separate brand identity, which just looks way more professional and gives you so much more flexibility down the road. So once you've decided on that custom name route, you land on the final screen. And believe it or not, your channel is officially just one single click away from existing. We are so close. This is the moment. Pick a great, memorable name for your channel, type it in, check that little box to create the new account, and then you hit that create button. And boom, just like that, you are officially the owner of a brand new YouTube channel. Okay, your channel exists, but right now it's a blank canvas. So let's give it some personality. This is the fun part, where we get to add all the branding that's gonna make your space uniquely yours. In the channel customization section, you're gonna click the branding tab. You'll see 3 essentials here. You've got your profile picture, that's a little icon that follows you everywhere. You've got the banner image, which is like your channel's giant billboard, and the video watermark, which puts your own little stamp on every video you make. Now, pop over to the next tab, Basic Info. Listen up, because this part is super important. Your channel description. Don't just rush this. You want to fill this with keywords that describe your content. This is how you tell the YouTube algorithm what your channel is all about, and it's crucial for getting discovered by the right people. And here's a pro tip that so many new creators miss, and it's a real heartbreaker. After you do all that awesome design work, none of it is saved until you hit that big blue publish button. Seriously, make that the very last thing you do before you leave this page. All right, the front of the shop looks great. But now we gotta peek under the hood real quick. A few little tweaks in the settings are gonna make sure your channel is optimized for growth right from day one. So in your settings, we're just making 3 quick stops. In basic info, set your country and add some channel-wide keywords. This helps YouTube categorize you. In advanced, pretty much everyone should select not made for kids to avoid a lot of restrictions. And finally, in feature eligibility, our goal is simple: unlock everything. And pay close attention to that feature eligibility section, okay? Verifying your phone number takes like 30 seconds, and just look at the payoff. You unlock longer videos, custom thumbnails, and live streaming. This isn't optional, people. It is an absolute must-do for any serious creator. And that's it, really. The technical setup, the branding, the optimization, it is all done. You now have a fully operational launchpad just waiting for your amazing content. Let's just take a second to recap what you just did. Google account? Check. Channel created? Check. Professional branding is complete and your settings are optimized? Check and check. You have ticked every single box for a successful launch. And this is what it was all for. Your channel is live, it's public, and it is ready. The entire foundation has been built. The only thing missing now is your first video. Your creative journey starts right now. So that brings us to the final and, let's be honest, the most important question. The how is taken care of, now it's all about the what. So what story are you going to tell? What are you going to teach? What will you create first?